everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the highlighter tools in the Read&Write browser extension. This feature is also available in the desktop version of Read&Write but may function a little differently. The highlighter tools are perfect for collecting information into one place with references included. The highlighter tools can be used on all web pages and Microsoft 365 software. On the Read&Write toolbar, the highlighter tools are these four highlighter icons, and this wheel icon is to collect your highlights into a Word document. This brush icon is to clear any highlights you have made. When you hover your mouse over, you can see the words for the different colour highlights, clear highlights, and collect highlights. To use this tool or any of the tools on the browser extension, click on the icon and a small dot will appear, and the icon will change colour to show you are currently using that feature. To use the highlighter features, select with your cursor what text you would like to highlight, and then select the highlight you want to use for that text. Once you've highlighted all the text you want, click on the Collect Highlights icon. It will pop up with an options box asking what colours you want to collect and also what order you want to collect the text in, whether that's by colour or by position on the page you're collecting the information from. Then, when you press OK, a new Word document will open with your highlights collected, and underneath will be a hyperlinked reference of where the information came from. The Read&Write browser extension doesn't allow you to collect highlights from multiple web pages, only one web page at a time. If in the settings under the Accounts tab you have signed in with your college email, you can find a folder called Text Help in your OneDrive that has a Collect Highlights folder where all your highlights are saved. So that is the highlighter features in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.